Crypto Market Analysis and Trade Strategy, the London session. Today is July 15th, 2025. Currently in a short position in Bitcoin. I'll walk you through what I'm seeing here. So here on the 15-minute chart, let's redo that. Here on the 15-minute chart, what I was observing here is this being the range high and this being the range low, including the previous session into this session, and then seeing here in this candle, seeing price trade into this fair value gap here on the 15-minute, and then price begin to deliver to the sell side here, and then this candle here on the open, trading back up into these fair value gaps here on the 5-minute. So here at 1 o'clock in this candle, price trades into the fair value gap here. I was not prepared when this entry came in. I'm usually late getting to my station, or something with my station is causing some delays. So ideally I need to get up probably about 10 minutes earlier. But by the time I saw this position, I was actually in this candle here. So I took a position in this candle here, but it was a limit order, and the position was I placed my stop above this level here for a short here, and was taking the trade to the same level. Then when I realized that this was a limit order and not a market order, in this candle here, I took this position and placed my stop order just above this candle, which coincides with this candle here on the 15th, on the 15-minute chart, that coincides with this fair value gap that's right here at the 50 level, which would be a bullseye or a target for me to target for an entry or for a take profit if I was trading in the opposite direction. And then if you come up here, you can see my stop loss is right here, as I mentioned, just above this candle here. So 10-cent spread on Bitcoin, so I give it a 20-cent stop, and then for take profit, we'll come down to the 15-minute chart. We'll have to go back a distance here, and then you can see take profit is down here. So looking to rebalance this fair value gap that's right here. We'll zoom in a bit on this area. You can see price has just balanced this fair value gap, traded towards this fair value gap, and then seeing this large fair value gap here, looking to for price to potentially rebalance this fair value gap right here. So based on what I'm seeing here, price action wise, it seems like for targets, I want to target 4 to 1, which seems to be pretty standard over the last couple of days of taking positions. With this micro account, I've been leveraging as if I have more in the account, and when a trade goes well, that goes well. If a trade doesn't go well, then for my psychology, taking too big of a loss doesn't go well. So I've reduced my leverage, and now only trading at 5% of the account, and ideally I would like to hold this percentage until I can gain some consistency with this silver bullet methodology. Also every day learning new lessons. Like yesterday, missing out on this opportunity for this short position here in the afternoon here with this price action here trading into the order block, then basically consolidating in this area before making another leg down. So this was an opportunity with a fair value gap here at the equilibrium level. So that was a trade that I missed. I was so focused off of trading off of the 5 minute that I never considered these fair value gaps here on the 15 minute. So this trade idea is actually stemming from this fair value gap, as I mentioned here. So now, in addition to trading off the 5 minute, also trading off the 15 minute here. So the fair value gap yesterday on the 15 minute was in between two fair value gaps on the 5 minute. So my inexperience had me still trading the other way, but basically trying to focus on draws on liquidity based on price action near the edges of the range. So with prices pulling back into near equilibrium and especially equilibrium and a fair value gap, I want to look for an entry. Look for an entry opportunity. So just like this morning, the entry opportunity coming in here at 1 a.m. Right here into this fair value gap, but still able to take a position a few candles later. So we'll see how this trade works out. Currently getting some sell side delivery. Price trading near the 116, 650 level currently. So yesterday getting a really nice trade during the London Open, and then giving those gains back during the New York PM session. Learning how to read price action with this methodology would have been able to avoid yesterday's mishap, but yesterday's mishap would not have corrected a greater and overall mishap of over leveraging. So just recognizing if I grow my account by over leveraging, if I'm fortunate enough to grow my account while over leveraging, I'll continue to over leverage indefinitely, so to speak, or there wouldn't be, if I'm over leveraging and successful, there wouldn't be a reason to stop over leveraging. So now trying to dial it in and cease from over leveraging and simply just trade for trading's sake, trying to take the monetary aspect out of it, no different than with live streaming my content, not doing it with the intent to make money streaming, or without the intent on being popular online, but simply for the intent of journaling my trades. Getting some sell side delivery here. Price trading near the 116, 450 level. $116,420, consolidating. 116,400, consolidating. seeing some buy side delivery here, 116.550. Sell side delivery with speed, 116.450. I just haven't been seeing these order blocks on the 15-minute, but now that I do, they cannot be unseen. So can't get away from trading off the 15 or some type of intraday higher time frame. But seeing the consistent ratio of about 4 to 1 for take profit for these trades, whether on the 5-minute or 15-minute, does bring some comfort, just having an idea of what your system can offer as far as in profits, and then seeing consistency in that represented in the charts. So never being really sure where to go for target, but consistently seeing a risk to reward ratio based off of your technical levels. So from fair value gap to fair value gap, currently seeing consistently a 4 to 1 risk to ratio, and yesterday during the London session able to achieve that from the London session into the New York session. And some buy side delivery here with speed, 116.750. This candle appearing to put in an engulfing pattern here, 116.800, and this candle, 5-minute candle, has now engulfed the previous 5-minute candle. More buy side delivery here, 116.850. Consolidating here. Less than 1 minute remaining in the current 5-minute candle. More buy side delivery here. Consolidation, buy side delivery. $116,880. Price consolidating in this area. $116,850. $116,820. Sell side delivery here. $116,800. $116,780. Consolidating. $116,850. Price consolidating in this area. Buy side delivery 116,920, 116,950. 116,920, consolidating here in between 116,920 and 116,950. Price approaching my entry price of 117.02.5. Getting some sell side delivery here, 116,900, consolidating. Price still consolidating around the 116,900 level. Sell side delivery with speed here, 116,850. Price could be putting in a swing high here. Which could indicate an intent to trade lower. But it would require the following candle to trade lower than the current candle. Sell side delivery here, 116,800. Less than 1 minute remaining in the current 5-minute candle. Also less than 1 minute remaining in the current 15-minute candle. Price trading at 116,780. Sell side delivery. New 15-minute candle. New 5-minute candle. Sell side delivery 116,780. $116,750. Consolidating. Some consolidation here, 116,800, now 116,780. 116,750. Consolidating here. 116,800. Price still consolidating here under the 116,800 level. One 16,780. Getting some sell side delivery here. 116,750. And looks like this 5-minute swing high here will be put in here. Further sell side delivery. 116,720. 116,700. 116,680. And consolidating back up to 116,700. So I'll continue to monitor Bitcoin and see how this trade plays out over the course of the morning here. Getting some buy side delivery now. 116,750. But so far so good. I would expect that this trade does work out. It will take some time to do so. If not, I'll get stopped out and keep an eye out for the New York AM session. But this is On Tilt Trading with today's live crypto market analysis and trade strategy, the London session. We'll see you